Sequoia at the Cannery-Sacramento, California. Wow, that's an old pool station. As you can see, this is elevator number 1. This actually used to be an old warehouse that was converted into offices and apartments. Let's see what we got here. Holy shit. You know what? I think this used to be an old freight elevator. I bet you that this was like the shaft for the original freight elevator. Oh, we got a fucking code. I have no idea what this is. Oh, we're going down. Did I just figure out the code? Oh, this is a US. I figured out the code. Oh, what? Huh, never mind. Thought it was cool. What did I do before? Let's see, I pushed B, and then I did 2, BR1. Wait, so you're saying I can't even go back to the main floor? Let me reset it. This is stupid. Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna stop. Okay. Alright. I don't know where that goes. Hey, look at this. This is This is a newer side. Like, this whole frame is different from this. And there's where an old indicator would be. I don't know the history of this. I think this used to be an old freight elevator though, a long time ago.